In this video, we are going to show you how to install the crossbar. Please make sure you have all the parts that come with the box. If you receive the item with all the parts assembled, you will have: first, this is the bolt for adjustment bulb, which will allow you to adjust the length of the crossbar. Second, the centerpiece is where the bracket will be mounted on. Third, there is 2 pins holding the tower body and the bottom piece together, which is the most important part of the product. Fourth, the bottom piece is adjustable to the angle you need for the vehicle. After you have unlocked the cover and slide it out from the tower unit, first step, slide the centerpiece out from the tower unit. Third, after you choose the correct bracket, mount the bracket on the centerpiece. Then put it back onto the tower unit. Fourth, don't forget to put on the protective pad before installation on vehicle. For the crossbar sitting perfectly on your vehicle, length adjustment is required. First, loose the upper bolt for adjustment until you are able to press it down. Second, press and hold down to the bolt. This allows the adjustment valve open freely. Third, while the adjustment valve can be adjusted freely, move back and forth to choose the correct length. Do it evenly for all other tower until to reach ideal length. Please note that the roof design may vary for different models of vehicles from different manufacturers. Just so you know that most of the vehicles have different width on the sides of the roof. Find the flat surface as supporting point on the roof. First, put the crossbar on top of the roof. Third, after you're done with the measurement, use the Allen key to tighten the bracket. Do not fully tighten the crossbar on one side, then move on to the other side. You have to go back and forth to tighten the crossbar evenly for the best result. Then slide the cover back on and lock the cover.